Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to dive into the world of delicious desserts and learn how to make a scrumptious apple pie. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the pie crust. For this recipe, we'll be using a simple pie crust that's easy to make and perfect for a variety of pies. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of shortening, 1/3 cup of cold water. Now, let's move on to the filling. For our apple pie, we'll be using a mixture of apples, granulated sugar, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon, and an egg. Here's what you'll need. 6-8 apples, peeled and sliced, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 egg. Beatano. Let's get started on the pie crust. In a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Cut in the shortening until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Stir in the cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough just holds together. Divide the dough in half, and roll out each half into a circle. Place 1 circle in a 9-inch pie plate. Next, let's prepare the apple filling. In a large bowl, toss the apples with the granulated sugar, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon juice. Spoon the filling into the pie crust and dot with the beaten egg. Now, it's time to top the pie with the other crust. Place the other crust on top and seal the edges. Cut slits in the top crust to allow steam to escape during baking. Finally, bake the pie in a preheated oven at 4 to 5 for 15 minutes. Reduce the heat to 375 and bake for an additional 35-40 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. And there you have it, folks. A delicious apple pie that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you give it a try, please let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes.